practically lit up this entire blue carpet. Look at her, stunning.
Thank you.
But what an entrance you've made, because I have really not missed her, though she did for some moment.
I'm sorry, you were really busy with Siddharth Malhotra here.
That's a lie. But I think you look fantastic. I want to know, I know that so many things are happening at the moment in your life. But first of all, I want to know, you walked the blue carpet. Hello, Hall of Fame. If Kriti had to have her own Hall of Fame, which means if you had your Hall of Fame, you could select 3 people, you can put them, the most inspiring people. Who would the 3 be and why?
Of course, Mr. Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Madhuri Dixit.
I like that Hall of Fame. Very, very nicely chosen. And coming to about the exciting stuff that's happening, I know there are a lot of stuff that you can't talk about, but
You know my answers now.
I know, but I still want to know. You know, it's going to be a great year, I'm sure, because especially I remember that you've always chosen movies, carefully. But I remember last time when we spoke to you, I think after Bareilly, people have started having the thinking, "Nahi, yeah, she's not just a pretty face; she really acts."
Thank you.
Right? And so that must have made a difference, yeah.
Of course, and also I think, the whole thing of I was seen in a lot of glamorous roles before that, so to be seen in a small town role and to be appreciated. It's really funny, but 90% of the scripts coming my way were small town. So that was something that I was really enjoying, but I still feel that, with a script, it's like what you feel at that time and what you feel like doing. So yeah, Arjun Patiala is something that I'm shooting right now. We're done with one schedule in Chandigarh, and it was a lot of fun with Diljit. And Varun Sharma is also part of it. It's my 3rd with him.
It's like a whole family show happening there. But can I tell you one thing? I know a lot about your film. But before I let you go, we keep hearing stuff about how, Nupur might do something and you're sort of pushing her. I want to hear from the horse's mouth right here. Is it true?
Well, I think it's too soon for me to say anything at all. So if that happens, you will know.
We will know, and we are very, very proud. Thank you so much.
Bye.
For all the Garma Garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.